Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you get Norton 360 VPN for free. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to get Norton's secure VPN, part of Norton 360 for free legally, Norton offers free trial access to its VPN on many devices, but you might sign up and enter a payment method. You won't be charged if you cancel before the trial ends. Common trial offers are 30-day free trial on the most reasonable platforms. Simply enter payment details and cancel before it ends. 7-day free trial on some reasonable non-VPN plans. Norton 360 packs often include the VPN during the trial period too. How it works? Simply head over and open up your browser, then on the search bar type in Norton 360 VPN. Then once you scroll down, look for the Norton link, then tap on it. Once you're inside here, what you need to do is download the Norton VPN application for Windows, Mac, iPhone or Android. Then start the free trial. You'll need a payment method. Then use the VPN fully during the trial and cancel before the trial ends to avoid charges. This is a close to free as you can legally get with Norton's premium service. Then next is money back guarantee. If there is no trial available in your region, Norton typically offers a refund window, example 60 days on annual plans, so you can get your money back if you cancel within that period. So these are a couple of steps that you can get Norton for legally free. So that's it for today's video guys, and hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.